Currently about 15 degrees out, so I'm not going to really go too far in depth to what I'm doing here. I'm doing a license plate light replacement on this side and the other side. They finally went out. Need a flat tip screwdriver, wherever that's at. I'm going to go get some gloves. Basically, you shove the screwdriver inside here, and it should pop out. Just like that. You can see where I'm at. Alright, so you shove it all the way over. You use this as leverage, and it's going to pop down just like that, you see. You could do the same on this side. Comes out, you'll see. Right there. There we go. And then the bulb comes out of this little hole here. You just twist it, and then here's the bulb. And then the bulb you just pull out. It's just socketed. Just like that. And then you put the new bulb in. And then you're going to twist that bulb back on to the housing and pop it back up. Now I want you to see it in real time. It's going to be kind of awkward to do it in this way, but I can't find my tripod. So I'm going to bet on some frozen snow. Let's do it the way we can. Let's see. One side, that's the other. See that I'm twisting? This twist is just like this. This comes off. Bob goes away. We're in the snow for now. I'll be picking that back up. Pull back in. Stick the socket back in, turn it. Snap, you're in. You're done. Let's see if it works. Now they're on. Let's see that it works now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.